to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Galahad, Alberta, a small hamlet with a big connection to legend and history. Named after Sir Galahad, the Knight of the Round Table, known for his purity and heroism, this charming community is located in central Alberta, about 150 kilometers southeast of Edmonton. Galahad was established as a station on the Canadian Pacific Railway, playing a vital role in the region's development. Though it once held village status, Galahad transitioned to a hamlet in 2016. One of the unique landmarks here is the knight riding a horse statue at the end of Main Street. Built in 1993 by local artist Evelyn Holman, this statue pays homage to the hamlet's namesake, standing proudly as a symbol of Galahad's heritage and connection to Arthurian legend. With a population of around 119 people, Galahad may be small, but it offers essential amenities that bring the community together. You'll find a community hall, curling rink, a bowling alley, and a church, all serving as central hubs for local events and activities. Another charming aspect of Galahad is that all the street names are named after historic characters, further enhancing the hamlet's connection to history and legend. The Galahad School, which served the community for many years, was closed in 2010 due to declining enrollment. Today, students from Galahad attend schools in nearby communities such as Forestburg, just 18 kilometers to the west. Surrounded by rolling farmland and natural prairie landscapes, Galahad provides scenic views and a peaceful rural lifestyle typical of central Alberta. The area is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the countryside. The local economy is primarily based on agriculture, reflecting the hard-working spirit of the residents. Galahad's rich history, community spirit, and picturesque setting make it a unique destination in Alberta. Whether you're passing through or looking to explore Alberta's rural charm, Galahad offers a delightful blend of history, community, and natural beauty. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.